Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. This recipe is very simple to create. It's super easy, it's cheesy, it's creamy, and don't forget we have this nice jerk seasoning in there. So keep on watching if you're interested. Also subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to jump right in. All of the ingredients that I use in today's recipe will be down below, so please check that out. First thing I'll be doing is boiling my pasta. So I have a pot of water. I am going to add a little bit of salt to that, cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Once the water started to boil, I am going to pour the pasta right in there. Now you can always follow the packaging of the pasta so you know how to boil your pasta. It's literally super easy, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to boil pasta. Come on now. So once your pasta is al dente, something like this, you are going to set it aside, drain the water. However, do not pour any other water to it, okay? Because that is a no-no when it comes to pasta. So here I have these shrimp. I'm using large or colossal shrimp, I believe. To season the shrimp, I'm using adobo seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, ground black pepper, and mild jerk seasoning. Now the jerk seasoning has lots of herbs that will make this shrimp nice and flavorful, so you don't really need much, okay? Once you're done seasoning the shrimp, you are going to drizzle about a tablespoon to a skillet. Once that is nice and hot, you're going to place your shrimp right in there. Now I'm going to cook the shrimp about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Shrimp is very small. They don't need that much time to cook. Once one side is nice and cooked, flip it over and allow the other side to cook. Now if you want, you can remove the tail of your shrimp, but I just like leaving the tail for some reason. And look how they looking so far. It's looking gorgeous. Now the shrimp is nice and done and cooked through. You are going to remove it, set it aside. Now in the same skillet, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that is nice and melted, you are going to add your red bell peppers, green bell peppers, as well as some onion. You are going to cook that until they're nice and soft and the onion is translucent. Next, I am going to be adding in about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add it last because you don't want to burn your garlic as you're cooking your bell peppers. Now I am going to be adding some heavy cream, about 2 cups of heavy cream. Just, oh, look at that. You can tell this is about to be so flavorful. Let me tell y'all, if you haven't tried something like this before, please try it. Please try it because it's bomb. It's seriously delicious. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, I am stirring it as I am pouring the heavy cream so I can remove all of that flavor that was sitting at the bottom of the pan. And then I am going to be adding in some, you know it, Parmesan cheese, just add that in there. And also I went ahead and add some mozzarella cheese to make it nice and cheesy, a little bit more creamy. Okay, so add it in there. Once you are done, keep stirring it, allow the cheese to be nice and melted, and then you are going to add your pasta. Now it's the perfect time for me to add the pasta. I also went ahead and add some more cheese because I needed to be more cheesy and more creamy. So I went ahead and add some Parmesan cheese as well as some mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to give it a nice stir. Make sure the pasta is well coated with the sauce, as you guys can see. Now that's because I didn't pour cold water to my pasta once it was done cooking. Okay, keep that in mind. Now I'm going to add the shrimp right in. Not all of it. I want to save some to garnish the plate once I'm done plating this. So we're going to give that a nice stir just to make sure all of that jerk seasoning flavor can, be combined with the pasta. And once I'm done, I am going to be plating this. This is how it looks so far. And next, I am going to add the remaining of the shrimp on top for a nice thumbnail. Now, the thumbnail is what got you guys here. So I am going to place that right on top, just like so. And also, I went ahead and add some Creole seasoning on top just to garnish for some, razzle dazzle. And also I added some parsley, fresh parsley. I added that as well, and this is the final result. And you guys, how beautiful, you can tell how flavorful this is just by looking at it. Come on now. I hope you guys try this out for your loved one. This recipe right here is 10 out of 10 would recommend. So please try it out. Let me know what you think. Also, leave a like if you enjoy the recipe. Please, please, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're new here so you can join the family. Merry Christmas to you all. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.